Welcome to Edjeren Travels, where we believe that smart packing is the key to a stress-free trip. In this video, we'll share our top tips for packing efficiently in a carry-on suitcase. When it comes to packing in a limited space, every item you bring must serve a purpose. Overpacking can lead to extra fees, heavy luggage, and unnecessary hassle. We've learned from our own experiences and want to help you avoid these mistakes. Let's start with footwear. Leave behind heels that are uncomfortable to walk in or boots you won't use. Cobblestone streets in Europe are not friendly to high heels. Don't make your carry-on heavier with a bulky raincoat or a large umbrella. Instead, opt for a packable rain poncho that takes up less space. Skip the standard neck pillow. It's bulky and takes up valuable room in your carry-on. On non-red-eye flights, sacrifice sleep for extra space. Always do your research on plug types and bring a universal travel adapter. This will save you from being stuck with the wrong adapter in a foreign country. Check clothing tags for dry clean only items. If you plan on re-wearing clothes during your trip, make sure they are machine washable. You don't want to end up with stained clothes that can't be worn again. Minimize your skincare products. Bring travel-sized versions of your essentials that comply with TSA rules. This will save you from having expensive products confiscated. Lastly, place your laptop, mouse, and charger in your personal item, such as a backpack or large purse. This frees up space in your carry-on. By avoiding these common packing mistakes, you'll have more room for the items you actually need on your trip. Enjoy your travels and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips from Edjeren Travels. Thank you and God bless you.